In this video, we're going to show you how to fix 3D snaps and object snaps that are working incorrectly in AutoCAD. Object snaps are one of the most important precision tools in AutoCAD. They allow you to accurately select endpoints, midpoints, centers, intersections, and other exact locations when creating or editing geometry. When working in 3D drawings, object snaps become even more important because objects can exist at different elevations and positions in space. Accurate snapping helps ensure that your models are built correctly and that objects connect exactly where intended. However, there may be times when object snaps appear to select the wrong point, snap to unexpected locations, or fail to detect the point you want. This can make drawing and editing much more difficult and may lead to inaccurate models. The good news is that this issue is often caused by simple snap settings or view-related problems that can be corrected quickly. By the end of this video, you'll learn a couple of easy methods to restore proper snapping behavior and improve your accuracy while working in AutoCAD. So, let's get started. The first method is to verify your object snap settings. Look at the status bar and make sure Object Snap is enabled. Next, open the Object Snap settings and review the active snap modes. Disable any snap types that you do not need and keep only the ones relevant to your current task. Having too many snap options enabled at once can sometimes cause AutoCAD to select an unintended point. After adjusting the settings, test the snaps again. If the problem continues, check your view. Rotate or change the view slightly and zoom closer to the area where you are working. In some cases, overlapping objects or viewing angles can make it appear that AutoCAD is snapping incorrectly. A closer view often makes it easier to select the exact snap point you need. After adjusting the view, test the object snaps once more. In most situations, these methods will solve the problem. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, make sure Object Snap is enabled and review the active snap settings. Second, disable unnecessary snap modes that may interfere with point selection. And third, adjust your view and zoom level to clearly identify the correct snap location. Remember that object snaps are designed to improve accuracy, but they work best when only the necessary snap modes are active. Taking a few moments to review your snap settings can prevent mistakes and make modeling much more efficient. It's also a good practice to zoom in closely whenever precision is important, especially when working with complex 3D geometry. Understanding how AutoCAD identifies snap points can help you troubleshoot many common drawing and modeling issues more effectively. And that's how to fix 3D snaps and object snaps working incorrectly in AutoCAD. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who work with AutoCAD. Your support helps us create more tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips to make your AutoCAD workflow faster and more efficient. If there's another AutoCAD feature or issue you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.